Okay, what if I told you that you could build a super profitable YouTube channel without ever showing your face, and you could use AI to do most of the heavy lifting? In this explainer, we are going to unpack the exact playbook to do just that. Let's get right into it.
So I want you to just look at this number for a second. $84,000. Right now, it might just look like a figure on a screen, but what if I told you it's the key to understanding the power of the AI strategy we're about to break down?
That is how much one single faceless travel channel earned in just 6 months. 6. And here's the kicker. The videos that are driving all that income are perfectly designed to be created with AI. This isn't some hypothetical idea. This is really happening right now.
So how do you get there? Well, that's what this is all about. Here's our game plan. We're going to start by digging into that 84K case study. Then we'll deconstruct what makes these videos really tick, reveal the AI engine that puts it all together for you, and give you a 4-step blueprint to follow. And we'll wrap it all up by talking strategy, how to pick the perfect niche to get started.
All right, let's dive right in. First up, that $84,000 channel. I mean, how is it even possible to generate that kind of money without ever stepping in front of a camera?
So the secret sauce here is a mix of a few really key ingredients. The travel niche, for example, has what's called a high CPM. That's what advertisers pay for every 1,000 views. If you target a US audience, that can get as high as $10. So if you just do the math on one of their videos with 2.2 million views, well, that one video could have pulled in over $22,000. That's the power of combining the right niche with the right audience.
Okay, so now we know what's possible. But the real question is how it's done, right? To figure that out, we've got to look under the hood and break one of these videos down into its most basic parts.
You know, when you really get down to it, any of these successful faceless videos are made of just 3 layers. You've got the script, that's your story. You've got the voiceover, the narration, and you have the video footage, all the visuals. That's it. It's actually a surprisingly simple formula.
Now think about it. In the past, you'd need like 3 different people for those layers. A writer, a voice actor, and a video editor. But what if a single AI tool could be the engine for all 3? And this is the absolute game changer. There's a tool out there called InVideo AI, and it takes one single detailed text prompt and just, poof, turns it into all 3 of those layers: the script, the voiceover, and the edited video footage. It completely automates that entire process we just broke down. Okay, so we've got the proof of concept and we've got the tool. Now for the really fun part, the simple 4-step blueprint that you can actually follow to get from a blank page to a finished video. It really just breaks down into these 4 easy steps. First, you find a proven viral idea. Second, you write a super detailed prompt to guide the AI. Third, you let the AI do its thing and generate the first draft. And fourth, you come in and refine and edit the final output. That's it.
So for step 1, you don't even have to reinvent the wheel. Seriously, you can literally just ask something like ChatGPT. If you see a successful video called 50 Best Places to Visit in the USA, you can prompt it to create a similar concept for, say, France. And boom, you instantly have a proven format to work with.
Step 2, the prompt. This is where you become the director. And the key here is detail, detail, detail. The more specific you are, the better the final video is going to be. You can tell it everything from the voiceover style and who the audience is, right down to the visual pacing, like, hey, don't use any single scene for more than 10 seconds. And the editing? Okay, this is where it gets really cool. You don't need any complex software. You just type what you want. A command like, change this clip to a drone shot, and the AI just does it. Or you can easily drag and drop clips in a simple storyboard. You can even add subtitles to the entire video with just one click. It's crazy.
All right, we've got the blueprint, we've got the tool, but you know, a great process is kind of useless without the right strategy. And that brings us to maybe the most important piece of this whole puzzle, choosing the right kind of content to create in the first place.
And that begs the biggest strategic question of all. What kind of videos actually work best for this AI method? Because let's be real, it's not a magic bullet for every type of YouTube channel out there. So here's the main idea, the big fork in the road. You want to avoid videos that are all about flashy, personality-driven editing that's just there for entertainment. Instead, you want to focus on content where the information itself is the star. That's where this AI method really shines, presenting valuable info in a clear and professional way. So what does that actually look like?
Well, we're talking about niches like travel guides, history explainers, those classic top 10 list videos, or health and wellness tips. For all of these, the audience is showing up to learn something, and the video's success depends on the quality of that info, which makes it a perfect fit for this AI workflow.
So, there you have it. We've seen the potential, we've broken down the method, we've laid out the blueprint and the strategy. We know the AI can handle the script, the voice, and the video. The only real question left is, what are you going to create with it?